Hi, I'm Nancy Norwood, and I'm the curator of European art at the MAG, and I wanted to introduce you to one of my favorite works in the collection, which is a tapestry by the Brussels workshop of Wilhelm de Pannemaker. It was made in the 16th century. And the wonderful thing about this tapestry is the border, which was actually created for, the pattern or the design of it was created for King Philip II of Spain, and de Pannemaker worked for him for quite a while. And it depicts the verse 128 from the book of Genesis in the Old Testament, where God gives Adam and Eve dominion over the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and really, so it illustrates what Pannemaker did was he did these fantastic, on the bottom, these fantastic sea creatures. So some of them are fantasy, some of them are real, but you have these great fish, and then you have fish with teeth and these seabirds, and the puto riding a fish, and then up above you have a wide range of species of birds, and then on the sides you have everything in between. So you have animals going up to the mountains. So it really does depict the world in its entirety in terms of the living and animals and men. And that's my love letter to the MAG.